Hello children, yesterday we have finished the reading part up to 179. So today we are going to start page number 180. So today we are going to start from minerals children. Open your textbooks fast. Turn the pages, open the page number 180 and start reading minerals. So what is meant by a mineral children? Daily in our life we are seeing the minerals. What we are eating, salt also a mineral, isn't it? It is one type of mineral, okay? So, a mineral is an element or a chemical compound that is usually crystalline and has been formed as a result of geological process. So, it has crystalline nature and it is an element or a chemical compound usually crystalline has been formed as a result of geological process. So, while you are digging the mines, you will find the minerals. So minerals are found inside or on the Earth's crust. On the Earth's crust, so many layers will be there. Inside the Earth's crust, these minerals are found. Some variety of minerals are found in the form of ores. O-R-E-S, ores. Ores are natural solid materials which contain minerals. So these are natural solid materials which contain minerals. So minerals can be extracted from the ores, O-R-E-S, ores. So some minerals such as iron and gold are metallic. Other minerals such as quartz and calcite are non-metallic. So minerals have a shining property. Which has the shining property? Those are metallic minerals which is not having the shining property. Those are called non-metallic minerals. Coming to the metallic minerals, iron can be extracted from iron ores such as hematite. So most of the iron ore is used for what? Manufacturing steel. Steel, how much shining it will be there. So aluminum is extracted from bauxite and copper is extracted from pyrite. These are some stones, children. The process of finding, extracting, purifying metals from mineral ores. So, using mineral ores, we are finding, extracting, and purifying some metals present in rocks is called metallurgy. In future, if you go for any BPC or MPC, this subject will be there. One book will be there only for metallurgy. That much depth it will be there in order to study about minerals only. Okay, children. So, the process of finding, extracting, purifying metals from mineral ores present in the rocks is called metallurgy. METALLURGY, metallurgy. So, metals are used for making machines, utensils, wires, etc. I'm saying no, these from minerals, these metals have been extracted, and these metals are used in our daily life, like for making machines. We are seeing iron box and washing machines, dishwashers, and utensils. Utensils means patralu. In Telugu, wires, copper wires, electrical wires, you are seeing, etc. These are made with metals only. Metals like some metals, gold and silver, that are obtained from minerals, they are suitable for making jewelry. Next, coming to the non-metallic minerals. So among them, which is the hardest mineral means diamond is the hardest mineral. Easily, it will not be cut into two pieces. To cut into two pieces so much hard. It can withstand very high temperatures also. It can withstand, sir. Okay, gold means it will be consumed, but diamond will not be consumed at any temperature. It will be the hardest material. Understood? దట్ మీన్స్ కరిగిపోవడం అనేది తెలుగులో కరిగిపోవడం. సో డైమండ్ అయితే అది కరగదు, అన్ని టెంపరేచర్స్కి అది హార్డ్గా ఉంటుంది. సో బట్ గోల్డ్ అట్ మోర్ హీట్ ఇట్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ somewhat melting, but we can't see that. Understood? Like that. So diamond is the very hardest mineral. It withstand means it can withstand with very high temperatures. So non-metallic minerals, precious stones such as diamonds, emeralds, rubies. You know emeralds, పచ్చలు in Telugu పచ్చలు. Rubies means kempulu, topaz, and sapphires are also obtained from the ground. You know that we will wear for occasions. These all we will wear for occasions. These are stones only, but they are obtained from the ground. Understood? If you go for seashores also, we will see different types of stones, isn't it? Shells. So these are obtained from ground only, children. So, and they in movies also they have taken some more pictures regarding gold also, how the gold has been extracted from the grounds. They have shown clearly. They are used to make jewelry. All minerals which form rocks are natural non-living things, but coal and petroleum are minerals formed from living things. They are obtained from deep inside the earth's surface. Coal is formed from the remains of dead plant materials. So, have you understood? So, which are the plants will be dead under the ground itself? They will be stored for so many millions of years. Then that has been converted into coal. Coal is formed from remains of dead plant materials. When dead organisms rot away, and rot means kullipodu, they form a thick, lumpy brown material called peat. Peat. Are you seeing? Peat. Tons of water, mud, sand, press the peat and squeeze it under the ground. So when we get rainy season, tsunamis, so at that time these thick brown material will be squeezed under the ground. This turns peat into coal. Coal is used as a fuel. Yes, in olden days we used coal only as a fuel to cook food. It is also used to generate electricity. Nowadays it is used to generate electricity. Electricity generated through coal is called which type of electricity? Thermal electricity. What is meant by thermal electricity? Electricity generated through coal is called thermal electricity. So next, petroleum is also formed in this manner. Pressure exerted by heat and weight of the rocks on the piles of dead rotting plants and animals turns them into liquid oil. So petroleum also obtained in this manner only. Fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene, and natural gas are obtained from petroleum. These fuels are used on a large scale for cooking and also to run vehicles and machines. So, petroleum can be used in its natural state only. Understood? Where are these petroleum extracted in India? Means remember this point: Bombay High on the Mumbai coast and Digboy in Assam are some places where petroleum is extracted in India. Okay. Next, a variety of plastics are also made from petroleum. Petroleum is very useful in our everyday life. So petroleum has other name called black gold. It is also known as black gold. Why it is also known as black gold? The deposits of mineral ores, coal and petroleum under the earth's crust are limited in quantity. Once they get exhausted, they will not be replenished even in thousands of years, as it takes millions of years for these natural resources to be formed. So thus they should be used wisely. Understood? So it takes, if they have replenished means అంటే తరిగిపోవటం వచ్చిందంటే it can't be replenished మళ్ళీ రావు మనకి. So it takes how many years of it? Millions of years for these natural resources to be formed. Thus they should be used wisely. So we should use wisely those quantities petroleum and fuel, and these petroleum and fuels are called as fossil fuels. Coal and petroleum are also called as fossil fuels. Okay. Next, shall we start these objective types questions? Hope you have understood up to here lesson. Take the correct answer. So one thing for you homework is what is meant by CNG, what is meant by LPG. We will listen daily these words, and I want the full form of these and what are their uses. You need to find out through the net or with the help of your friends and make the list of this. I will ask. Okay. So tomorrow is a holiday, no? Take it as a homework. What is the full form of CNG and LPG? What do CNG and LPG stand for? What are their uses? You should write. We should write. Next, coming to the objective type questions. Marble is made up of what are the options? Shale, sandstone, limestone, quartzite. Marble is made up of limestone. The Red Fort Option C is the answer. Red Fort and Qutub Minar are made up of option limestone, sandstone, marble, basalt. Sandstone. Third question. Which of the following fuels is not obtained from petroleum? A. Natural gas. B. Limestone. C. Kerosene. D. Petrol. So, which of the following fuels is not obtained from petroleum? So, what is the answer here? What is the answer? Limestone. So, natural gas is obtained from petroleum. Kerosene is obtained from petroleum. Petrol. So, answer tick the limestone here. Okay. Next, the dead organisms rot away. They form a thick, lumpy brown material called option oxygen, A oxygen, B gas, C peat, D pumice. Answer is peat, P-E-A-T, peat. So the dead organisms rot away. They form a thick, lumpy brown material called peat. Remember this point, children, very important. Next, turn the page number 182. Which of the following sedimentary rocks is made up of calcium and animal shells? Which of the following sedimentary rocks is made up of calcium and animal cells? Option A sandstone, shale, limestone, pumice. So sedimentary rocks is made up of calcium and animal shells is limestone. Okay. Which of the following is a mineral used for making jewelry? So a pumice, diamond, obsidian, basalt. Diamond also is used for making jewelry, and obsidian also is used for making jewelry. First option is first we will get diamond. No, we will choose this mineral only. And if this is also maybe the answer, this also will be the answer. Next, identify the following metals that are obtained from mineral ores. What are those? Gold, silver. Minerals used as gemstones. Now only I said emeralds, rubies, topaz. You can say diamonds also. Minerals used as a fuel. Coal, petroleum. Stone that is formed with the use of silica, sandstone. Stone formed with the use of silica, sandstone. So this is about your total lesson, children. Hope you have understood. Tomorrow I will give the notes for you, and you should copy in your classwork. That is also writing the notes is in classwork also is a homework for you for today's today tomorrow is a holiday. No, that's why. Okay, children. Thank you.